Hi, I'm Roland with Impress Computers. Impress Computers is an IT solutions firm based on the west side of Houston. I'd like to introduce you to my inside sales team. We have Bruce, Roy and Marlon. We carry a wide selection of everything that you need in stock, whether you're looking for a Chromebook, a laptop, a desktop, a custom-built gaming machine, an AutoCAD workstation, or even up to a server. We carry it all. Now come on through to the back and let me show you what else is going on. If you need an IT consultation, Impress Computers has a boardroom where your team can sit down with our team and we can go over your IT needs, both today and in the future, to make sure that you're covered. And now I'd like to introduce you to Mandy. Mandy runs things behind the scene. She keeps us all on track and she answers all the phones.
Hello everyone.
I'd like to introduce you to Ian Bennett. Ian Bennett handles the internal sales for the company.
Hi.
Now come on through to the back and I'm going to show you where all the magic happens. At Impress Computers we handle all types of computer repairs, from your general laptop repairs like laptop screen replacements all the way up to high-end servers. And now I'd like to introduce you to my team. On my right here I have Constantine and on my left I have Hazam. Between them they've got over 50 years of experience in IT. I'd also like to introduce you to my MSP team, and these guys are proactively monitoring and maintaining people's networks so that they don't go down. I have Kurt and Josh, and these guys are experts in the field, making sure that your network is optimally maintained and never goes down.